Did you know, before the year 1815, Mount Tambora was one of the highest peaks in Indonesia, estimated at around 4,300 meters. Today, Tambora stands at 2,850 meters. Tambora's volcanic eruption in April 1815 was the most destructive, the deadliest, and largest in recorded history. The eruption created one of the deepest and largest calderas in the world. Tambora's eruption was 10 times bigger than the far better known Krakatau. It caused years of severe climate change worldwide, known as the year without summer. Studies by the Smithsonian Institute indicated that Tambora's 1815 eruption even caused Napoleon losing the war at Waterloo. Tambora, that left its mark on the world, is still an active volcano located in the northeastern part of Sumbawa Island in Indonesia. Now, follow our adventure as we climb the world's deadliest volcano.
Welcome to Petualang Homestay.
Welcome to our room.
Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Fresh from the mountain.
Where's the mouth?
Both sides.
Both sides?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
When you're out in the battlefield. Oh, trenches. It looks like the trenches. It's a standoff.
Why do I do this?
Oh. For the vlog.
I know.
That wasn't too bad. That was good. Really good pace. Like really fast.
Look at him. He's just sucking. Ow. That actually kind of hurt. Where are you, Mama?
Tambora, Phosphor.
1900 above sea level. Kilometer 50. Plants. If one of the stingers get into you, it hurts and it itches. So navigating through this is like navigating through a minefield. Woo! Nice job. How was that?
Tapi ini lewat loh.
How
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter and what?
Nah, yang
Nggak.
saya pengen
Oh.
tahu.
So there's literally no path. We're kind of lost. The guide is way back there, but I don't think they're coming up with us. We're on the home stretch. As you can see, these plumes of smoke is likely coming from the crater. We're almost there. Yew. Let's go, let's go. That's the dung. Yeah.
Well done.
Made it.